house. Out the window, that's old beer sitting in the poncho. Maybe, or it was a raccoon.
Tractor ride.
Tractor ride.
Tractor ride.
All right, finish loading the wood. Forget Nancy.
I'm getting chilly.
It feels good over here, actually. That was hot.
Tammy was hot. Oh no.
Just don't hit us with the wood, please. Nah.
Oh.
The dog's like, shit. You can't ride with us. You're gonna have to run next to it.
Just totally got you.
I know. That's such a jerk. Hey, I can see myself.
Maybe drop my wood.
He dropped his wood. Sounds like a personal problem.
Don't help him pick it up.
No.
He had to readjust himself. Oh, your tag is hanging out of your pants.
It'd be okay.
What?
My butt's hanging out.
Wardrobe malfunction.
He's like, ew. Hi, Poochie.
I love the flashlight on this thing. Even though I'm holding it upside down, but it's okay.
It looks like a real flashlight.
Uh-huh.
No, I mean on the screen.
I know, that's cool. Oh.
Do you know?
Yeah, blood went there.
I know you already got a fucking load.
Oh yeah.
I'm sorry.
That's all right. I'm good at that.
I've been drinking just a little bit. Now I'm gonna drink and drive the tractor.
Please don't jerk us around.
I'm gonna jerk you around.
We don't want to fall off.
Fucking nigger. Damn. Sorry, Cookie. I know she don't like that. That's one thing she don't like about me.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I try not to be like that. I'm sorry. I'm not about that shit. I need to stop.
He's so
that.
bad.
I can't bitch to you about yet.
I need to stop being like that. Niggers
Hey,
are
you need a
people too.
flashlight?
Niggers are people too.
Stop saying that.
Sorry.
We're making a video.
I'm sorry. You're gonna have to cut that shit out.
I can't. It's on my phone.
Oh.
Tractor ride.
That's not it. Yeah.
See if I can get it off.
Good save.
I'm gonna put that in my pocket. Hold on to my wood.
Oh, Hannah, move.
Get right over.
Try my phone.
That would have been good. Hannah, move. I don't want you to get ran over.
Go for the hair ride.